Welcome to your wonderful Wednesday shave of the day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos, so that way you won't miss a thing. Consider hitting that join button to support this channel. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're getting a better shave. In this shave, I'm using my magnetic silver steel. This is a vintage Solingen German razor. It is just marvelous. That is a full hollow. Acts more like a extra hollow, but that's okay. You just have to be careful with it. Now for our soap tonight, here we go. We're going Derby. And now this is kind of the brother to Arco. It is just a little bit harder and it actually has basically the same scent. Now I have had that blooming just like normal. We're going to pour out that bloom water. Put that on as a pre-shave. Yep. There we go. Nice. And for my brush tonight, here we go. This is the Grand Bamboo. That is real bamboo. This is a 30mm Maggard razor synthetic knot, and it is a lather machine. It is. Now we're going to get that wet because it's synthetic. It did not have to be soaking. We're going to get most of that water out of there. And let's get it loaded up. All right. So, welcome to the midweek shave, the wonderful Wednesday shave of the day. Yep, hopefully you are having a wonderful week. The world's treating you good. You get some good shaves and you're healthy. Oh yeah, so important. Yep, and we're that much closer to the weekend. Week is halfway gone. Looking forward to that weekend. And getting back outside. Yeah. This last weekend, we were actually at another park. Here's some pictures from that. We were walking around this lake. It's not a great big lake, but it was a lot of fun. And really good time. So, you know, let me encourage you, get out, be in nature. Yeah, oh yeah, look at this, lather machine. All right, let's go ahead, get that bowl kind of cleaned up. Yeah, so definitely, let me encourage you while you've got good weather, hopefully you have good weather where you are, that you can get out in it and enjoy it. All right, here we go. Yeah, putting that on as pre-shave. Prepping those whiskers. Yep. Now, let's get our lather on. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. There's a lot more trails in that park as well that we have not been on. So that's good. And it should be beautiful once the foliage starts turning. Absolutely. Oh, wow, look at that already. That is good. Oh yeah. Get those hands cleaned off and dried off. Yep. All right, here we go. This is pass one, and for me primarily that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. So we lay that razor flat, raise it a spine width. Stretching with that offhand. Now here I'm going to stretch just by blowing out my cheek. Just like that. There's that little spot. All right. There we go. Now get the razor cleaned off. Stretching that chin area just by the way I'm holding my mouth, how I'm smiling. We need to smile more. We do. Nice. Trying to be real gentle with that razor because like I say, this acts like an extra hollow. You have to be careful with those. There we go. Nice. Yep. Yeah, this is a beautiful vintage razor from Solingen German steel. It's just magnificent. And it was inexpensive. Yeah, like 20 bucks or less on eBay, which is good. Nice, 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 nice. Get that blade cleaned off. There we go. All right. There you go. Pass one complete. Felt good too. It did. Let's see how we're doing. Get that rinsed off. Oh, nice, 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 nice. That's good. It is. All right. Let's get our lather on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Great lather. Really has a nice scent, too. It's citrusy. Kind of that kind of old barbershop thing going on. Like it. Yep. And this, like I say, it's basically just like Arco, except for it's a little harder as far as the stick goes. It's a little harder. It's not as soft. Now, here we go. Time for the half pass. For me, primarily, that's going to be against the grain. Let's do this. Nice. There we go. All right. Now we're going against the grain right through this middle as well. Nice. That's good. All right, switching hands. We're going to get this side. Get that a little bit there. Nice. There you go, another shave in the books. And it felt good, it did. Let's go ahead and get that rinsed off, see how we did. Oh, nice, 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 nice. And there were no bumps harmed in the filming of this shave video. Yep, that's good. So now we're going Alum everywhere. Yep, it is astringent and antiseptic, good for the skin. After a straight razor shave, we put that everywhere, and it'll also help tighten the skin as well. Yep. Now I just dry that off, just like that. Now if you can't take Alum straight up, go with a cold water rinse if you can get cold water, followed by witch hazel. For me, I'm going with the Thayers Lemon. This is lemonade for the face. Just marvelous. And I think it's going to work well with the citrusy part of this soap. Really good. Fantastic scent. And I put that everywhere. I do. Yep. Very nice. Now, we're going with Nivea Sensitive Post-Shave Balm. This stuff is good. Really enjoy it. And works really well. So we're going to get some of that going as well. Hydrate that skin after a good straight razor shave. Oh yeah, nice, 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 nice. Now for my Cologne thing, here we go. Florida water, oh yeah, this is just marvelous. And I think it goes with the soap as well. It really does, very nice. So that's good. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, marvelous. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see straight razor shaving, your first full straight razor shave. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.